guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Arsenal, they consider a replacement for Julian Timber as they look one Laporte of Man City, and our monitoring spirit, what they call the Daily Canon, and then come outside and let us know this new update. Now, as at yesterday, Fabrizio Romano come outside and let us know say Arsenal gets the reason say they would like to sign Laporte, but Man City don't want to sell to Arsenal. That's the situation on ground. Man City, they feel so they don't like to strengthen their direct rivals because many of the polls out there are placing Arsenal as the second favorites to win the league behind Man City. So imagine saying that you be Man City, so you would like to strengthen your direct rival. You don't want to strengthen that, so that is the situation of things. So it will take a miracle for us to sign any player from Man City as of today. You get, unless the player say I must go to Arsenal, because Man City are slapping £30 million on Aymeric Laporte head. You get, so now £30 million they put for his head. Now the reason they would like to sell the player abroad to somebody else, you get, when no day for the EPL, or even if they will sell to somebody in the EPL, it must not be somebody within the top 4 where they're going to say will feel strengthened to come challenge them. You get, they have learned their lesson from selling Gabriel Jesus and Zinchenko to Arsenal because they don't buy Josko Gabriel. So for that reason, they feel say Aymeric Laporte don't they surplus to requirements over there. So we'll just see how this deal will go, because Arsenal are looking at so many options, because since you don't clear for everybody, I say Timber will they out for a very long time. Because so for that reason, we are looking at options. Now, away from that, so Fabrizio Romano come also they talk say Arsenal have scheduled an emergency meeting at Arsenal. You get, the hierarchy they want to meet with Mikel Arteta to discuss the way forward, because transfer window is still open. I still say this. So anything they want to do, thank God, say window still open, so we have a chance to fix whatever problem we have. Because when you look at it now, Timber don't dey out with anterior cruciate ligament injury, where they usually take like 5 to 6 months to recover from. So it's just mean like say the guy per season now end. Get, so we need a new player to come in. Now the thing is, are we still going to be looking for a versatile player or looking for just a normal traditional left back? You get, or so now what's me the reason now? So anyone we then see, make them buy him. You get, and the negative part of this is say you can't make us do some kind of panic buy. If we go to sign player we're not supposed to sign, you get, because the people who would need feel the market again. So that's just about why we are looking at Aymeric Laporte, because it's a left-sided centre back and he can play left back. If Arteta will ever whine you now, may play there, will try you, yes. And I believe that Laporte will still play there. That's why he would have been an ideal replacement for Timber. But we'll just watch. Anyhow, the meeting go, I will let you know. Now, away from that, if you watch yesterday, we'll see say Marcel play Panathinaikos for the second leg of the Champions League qualifiers, and they lost. Now, what made this news this significant is for Twitter, Aubameyang got the trend. You get, so you know, say Arsenal said it's finished, Chelsea said it's finished. Aubameyang scored 2 goals for that match yesterday. So me, I just didn't laugh. I just make a lesson and know. So how strong an opposition is Panathinaikos from Greece? You get, because the guy bought that but Guendouzi had a night to forget. Marcel did not qualify for Champions League because of Guendouzi. Do you know that? First leg, Panathinaikos they beat Marcel 1-0. For the second leg, Aubameyang scored 2 goals. Then with like about 10 minutes to go, they come out Aubameyang. So then they win 2-1 already aggregates. They are hoping to qualify for Champions League. Before you know what they happen, because this don't handball inside the verse 18, they can't give them penalty. Panathinaikos score 2-2. Balkan goal penalties get. So for penalties, the same Guendouzi now be the only Marcel player we can't lose penalty. Get, we can't make Panathinaikos qualify. Oh man, it's just unfortunate. So I said I let you know. So watch out for Aubameyang in the French league this season. Aubameyang will score 30 goals now. So watch out for the trolls. We will call the talk say na Arsenal killer. Say never finish. Just watch out. The French league day. Just watch out when he will score 30 goals. Like I said, score 30 goals. No, Aubameyang will score 50 goals. I'm seeing him score 50 goals. Alright, away from that, so after the aftermath from the David Raya signing, so they call the interview Raya, so what's in the bring to Arsenal. So back on the talk say in passing game is going to improve Arsenal. It don't confirm evidence from major sources that David Raya has a good passing game. He's good on his feet. So back on they explain how he take day better on his feet. This is again one stadium when they near a house. So for that stadium, they go follow young guys they play, and if they play there, they play for midfield, they play for goalkeeping department. So that's what they say don't they used to, you get. So they play like a creative player, you get. So that's why even if a post, even knock one play points pass, they go where they send them to. So at the end of the day, me I just they happy. Say the guy they ask now, you get. So make the big competition for places there. So at the wait when we put David Raya making competition. Because yesterday I could watch a compilation video of David Raya saves. I even post on Twitter said the video man, you get. So I was impressed with what I'm seeing. Like I'm happy with our two goalkeepers, so I'm happy we have them. Now the Evening Standard come outside and talk say Arsenal are officially considering to sign a replacement for Julian Timber. This is like the headline news on major news media about Arsenal. They are looking, they are interested, and one of the names where Arsenal they really say they want to sign might be Edmond Tapsoba of Bayer Leverkusen. Is a left-sided centre back. At the same time, he can play left back. So Arsenal are interested in signing Tapsoba. So how much Bayer Leverkusen will slap on the head and never really know. I know saying no will reach 50 million, no will reach 40 million. Like they cheaper, you get. So more just to watch whether Arsenal will make the deal happen. You get. So that's what me I'm saying, because as a day like this, we can't afford not to sign another player, because we have a lot of injury prone player in our ranks. Kylian injury prone, Tomiyasu injury prone, Zinchenko injury prone, Timber now Otilo, that one 6 months, that one don't go already. So who can remain? So go they resurrect back Cedric Suarez, bring him from retirement from where in the. So we are just one injury away from a Rob Holding. In case you don't know, we are an injury away from a Rob Holding. That's when I'm saying it. So and we can't afford to allow the things that hampered our success last season to come and repeat itself again. You go mean say we no learn our lesson. So now we say the window they like maybe 2 weeks to go. We must make sure we get the best cover get moving forward, because you see this season is going to be a marathon and not a sprint. So we must be very careful. Alright, so away from that, so the Daily Mail don't come outside and let us know say Monaco are reportedly set to offer a new bid for Balogun. They won't just offer a new bid, they just close this deal. Now, what we here we say Edu Gaspar gets an counterpart from Monaco where they call Skuro. So two of them will be director of football. They are in talks already. They are trying to discuss and iron out this deal and make sure say everything end well. Me for Balogun for go to a new club, no self collect money, come reinvest time. So I don't think this is the right time for Arsenal to play hardball and say 50 million or nothing. If not 40 million, Baba collect and go find another left back when I go buy. Because you are saying this Balogun is not in your plan. Cash in on him. Then look at who else are signed, because we all know that Kylian, Arsenal, if they collect, they see better money, they go sell them. There are people like Rob Holding, they see money, they go sell them. Because so there are many players who are looking for the market, though we are not getting suitable offers. But we must make sure we just make it while the sunshine, collect money, sign replacements, we'll move forward, I beg. Alright, so what we call here now be say Nicolas Pepe don't they unable to cancel in Arsenal contract. Now Besiktas will prefer a loan with an option to buy, just like what Arsenal and Brentford do for David Raya. David Raya had 1 year left on his contract, so to facilitate the loan with option to buy or obligation to buy, they can say okay, they will renew the guy contract to make that deal happen. So don't like this as Pepe did. Pepe has 1 year left on his Arsenal contract, so you can see a situation whereby we'll give him 1 more year extension so that we will facilitate a move on loan with an obligation to buy to Besiktas. Besiktas already give Pepe a 3-year deal already for hand, so Pepe is about to accept it. Whether he accepts them or not, the onus still lies on Arsenal to agree an exit package for Nicolas Pepe. Now, Arsenal, bless people don't abuse them tire say now they always still play a contract. What's that happen? How do you sign a player for £72 million and at the end of the day there is no resale value for the player? You can't find one single person that will come and give a substantial sum for that player. How do you do that? So now to tear a contract making they go. So maybe Arsenal don't hear that when they come to flex say, oh, we don't tear your contract. Maybe Besiktas bring money. Now Besiktas on the other hand and say we don't have money to part with for Pepe. So maybe just see how everything will end at the end of the day. But I'm seeing a situation whereby they will still pay something to get Pepe. Now, do you know that Kevin De Bruyne is said to be out for a few months through surgery? So now Pep, like what they let everybody know, the guy has a hamstring, a recurring hamstring injury. Yes, so they're trying to fix him once and for all. When they matter most for Champions League match against whether Madrid or which person, Kevin De Bruyne, whether for final injury, anytime we matter most to win something, the guy will carry injury. So they're trying to fix this thing once and for all. So now with the yes in our surgery it will take, and for that surgery to happen is going to be out for a few months, which means the first leg we'll go play against Man City will not be seeing people like Kevin De Bruyne there. So now so it will be. So how will this affect Man City? Because when you look at the Man City setup, they still have creative players in Bernardo Silva, they still have creative players in Jack Grealish, they still have a lot of creative players in their ranks. So when I see this thing, I can't feel for Man City. At the same time, I can't do reverse psychology. I want to say, if this were to be Arsenal, that this happened to Arsenal, Odegaard got an hamstring injury and is going to be out for a few months, how would Arsenal fare? Will Arsenal still be playing like Arsenal, or will Arsenal be playing like another team? So now what just enter my mind. So what do you think? Who do you think will be replacing Odegaard and be playing like Odegaard, or giving us very like good creativity in the middle of the park if Odegaard was to be missing? Mention that player in the Arsenal ranks. Yes, let's see if in the next 3 months you think that player will play very well, deliver the balls, and like dominate game. You get in this phase 4 that we are, where we know that this league now, this season is going to be the hardest league you get in our history. I thought I don't talk and Pep don't talk. Everybody, even Eric Ten Hag, everybody they para. I get Newcastle, everybody they shine eye now. Say this season is a do or die. You get. So don't be like before you saying a top 4. Now we have like top 7 teams fighting for the top 4 position. So who do you think will be the ideal replacement for Odegaard? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Alright, so as the Raya don't move to Arsenal, so many players from Brentford, you get called to celebrate the guy. So first on the list is Ivan Toney, we say my bro, let's go. Then followed by Mbeumo, followed by Oli Watkins, followed by Laporte, followed many players when they celebrate the guy. Yeah, they are happy for him. Congratulations, you are moving from an average team to a title contender. You know, because they're happy for the guy. Yeah, so some people, although are not happy that he's leaving his number 1 position to go and settle for a number 2 spot. Some are saying it's going to be disastrous for Arsenal that we have 2 number 1 goalkeepers. Well, many people, everybody get their own opinion, but at the end of the day, now I think our opinion 9 counts. Is the one that knows what he wants, because at the end of the day, they know they sack me. Now I think that they will sack if he do anyhow. So we'll just watch and we'll wish the team very well. Alright, my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch us for YouTube and you never subscribe, what do you wait for? Now make you subscribe so that our community will grow. And if you're watching us on Facebook, you never follow us, subscribe so that you can follow us. And don't forget that we are on Twitter, so you can search for CHUKS Arsenal TV. We are trying to grow our Twitter page, make it itself day like our Facebook and our YouTube. And so continue to support us, share our videos, like our videos. May God replenish your pockets, and may God bless you all in Jesus' name and inshallah. So if you know what today's show, check the top left corner of your screen, go see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And get out.